Similar triangles. Example 3. A 50-foot pole casts a 30-foot shadow. Nearby, an office building casts a 90-foot shadow. What is the height of the office building? Since the triangles are proportional, we can write an equation to find x. 30 is proportional to 90. 50 is proportional to x. Now the equation would be 30 is to 90 as 50 is to x. Cross multiply. 30 times x is equal to 30x. 90 times 50 is equal to 4,500. Divide both sides by 30. X equal to 150. Therefore, the height of the building is 150 feet tall. Example 4. Find the length of x. If we notice, these two triangles are similar. Triangle ACB is similar to triangle AED. Therefore, we can write these two triangles as a proportionality. AC 10 is to AE x as BC 12 is to 48. Cross multiply. 12 times x is 12x is equal to 10 times 48, which is 480. Divide both sides by 12. We get x is equal to 40.
I measured the shadow of this pole, and it measured 52 feet. I have a C-clamp that I put on this fence pole, which measures 6 feet. And the shadow by the C-clamp is 8 feet. What is the length of this pole? Let's figure the length of the pole. The pole is unknown. The shadow of the large pole is 52 feet. Now I put a C-clamp on the small pole, and the shadow from the C-clamp is 8 feet. And the height of the C-clamp is 6 feet. And so now we have two similar triangles. And I want to find the height of this pole. Now you could do this with a pole that's standing outside of your house or wherever you are. The height of a tree, you can measure the two shadows of a known object to find out an unknown object. And so what we have now is these two are proportional. 6 is the x, is 8 is the 52. So it's 6 is the x equals as 8 is over 52. And so what we have to do now is just cross multiply. So 8x equals 6 times 52. We go to the calculator. 6 times 52 equals 312. 8x equals 312. Divide by 8. So x equals 39 feet. And so this dimension is 39 feet. Just by measuring the shadow of the both and knowing this known height. Now I made that height. And what I want to stress is the proportion. I have two similar triangles. Now we can continue that. They could look like this or like this. They could be on the top like this. It makes no difference. They're still similar triangles. And when you have two similar triangles like this here, once you know, because they're proportionate, Once you know any three sides, you can always figure the fourth side. So if you know this side and this side and this side, you can figure this side. If you know this side and any one of these two sides, you can always figure the unknown side. That's just what we did here with this pole. I measured this length of the shadow and measured this length of this shadow, the height of this pole, and because it's proportionate, I could figure the height of the unknown. And so you can see there's logic in working with similar triangles. Complete the problems on the next 2 pages and then take the test. Remember, there are additional helps and tests to help you master this unit.
Please work the problems and take the test in your workbook. Number success, the practical way to learn.